First, we can resolve that issue that Preeti ma'am had yesterday, Sujan.
Okay. Just I am not able to share my screen, ma'am. Hello.
You can, because
Okay. Yeah. Now I can. Yeah. Now I can. Okay. Yesterday, Preeti ma'am said that she was unable to see the images here. So we'll just take first 5-10 minutes. We'll see if that is like something regarding the code, or is it something regarding her phone. So we'll just I'll just make an app. So Preeti ma'am, can you please follow along? Can you please go to this website and create a new project?
Okay, yeah.
So are you on this fresh screen, ma'am?
Yeah. One second, just give me a minute.
Yeah.
Create a new with a new name, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Done.
Okay, so what you can do is just drag one button over here. So you can just drag this button and one of this image into the phone. So just one button and a phone, that's it. One button and a photograph, image.
One button and a
So is that done? Preeti ma'am, are you there?
yeah, I'm there.
So is this much done? Have you been?
Yeah, I've done.
Okay, please shift to the block section over here on the top right,
Okay.
and then once you are here, just click on the button one over here from the left side,
Okay.
and drag the first block when button 1 dot click 2
Okay.
into the white space.
Done.
Okay, then what you can do is click on image 1 underneath the button 1,
Okay.
and then drag any one of the dark green blocks. So the ones that start with the word set image 1 dot. So you can just drag that into the white screen and arrange them below the button 1 like this.
Okay. Yeah, done.
Then over there from this drop down menu beside the image 1, make sure to select picture. So it should look like on my screen over here.
Sure.
Uh, is this done?
No, where is the picture? Sorry. Sorry.
Okay. So you can switch back to my screen. So what you need to do is just 1 second. So you click on image 1, right? So this dark green block, you can drag the first one if you want to.
Okay,
Okay.
done.
Then you need to snap it below the button 1 over here.
Yeah.
Then click on this over here. What is beside the image 1, right? This. So just click on this and over here search for picture.
Okay, done.
Okay, then what you can do is click on this violet text one in the left under the built-in blocks. So over here, the text, the one that has a purple square beside it. So click over there and drag the first block, the one with quotation marks in it and nothing else. So drag this first one and snap it beside our dark green block like this.
Okay, done.
And
Done.
then inside these quotation marks, just paste this one that I'm sending you in the, no, sorry, I think I sent it wrong. Okay, so this link, so just click on it and copy it. And then you can uh, paste it inside of these. So like this.
Okay. Done. Done.
Okay, so
Done.
this is done. Then you can see my phone screen on the right side. Uh,
Yeah.
so when I click on this button, this photo should come. So can you please connect your phone and see if that is working?
Yes.
This photo is coming, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So I think that the images, yeah, they are coming. I think I'm not sure what problem you had yesterday. I think it may be something else. So to confirm, like the images are coming, right, on your phone?
Actually, from yesterday onwards, I was not as much getting it because I was constantly getting a connection issue,
Okay.
a connection error. So let me do that again.
Yeah. Okay. No, I thought there was some issue with the phones and the images. So okay, then
No,
it's
no, no,
fine.
no, no.
Okay.
That was not an issue at all.
Okay. Then I think Sadanand can start with the normal his session.
Okay, so today we'll like try to make a to-do list app to that we can basically use in our day-to-day life. That is actually pretty interesting, and we will also see how to pack and make the APK file so that you can install it on your phone and use it. Okay, so I'll start the direct. Everyone can see my screen, right?
Yeah.
So please head over to this site again. Please create a new project.
We create a new project
Yes, ma'am.
with a new name, correct?
Yes. Okay, so has everyone created a new project?
Yeah.
Okay, so basically we'll make a to-do list. So for that we'll first require a label. Okay, so okay, so label and a list view and a button. So label is to like indicate that this is a to-do app, to-do list app, and we have to enter something to view it again, and then a text box to enter our text, and then the button to check it and enter the text. So first we'll drop in our layout, that is a vertical arrangement. Okay, and then make its height as keep its height as automatic and width as fill parent. So do this first. Can everyone find vertical arrangement?
Vertical arrangement in which sense? Which one?
Yeah, the first vertical arrangement, and then keep its height as automatic and width as fill parent. Okay. Then next, go to label and drag it on the top part. First drag the label and then drag a text box below it. Just make sure to drop it inside the vertical arrangement and not outside the vertical arrangement. And then last, the button. So it should look something like this.
Button also below the text box.
Yes. So like this, it doesn't look quite right. So to make everything in the middle, just go on Components tab and click on Screen 1. And then align horizontal to center and vertical to center. And then go to vertical arrangement. Then make both center. So it will be in the middle of the screen.
Where is it? Components tab. What we have to do? I'm sorry.
Okay, first go to Components tab, click on Screen 1. Okay, and then align horizontal and align vertical, make it as center.
Align.
Me na you have got a big black line na outline. For me, I
Yes,
am
ma'am.
not getting like that. For me, the label is above that and the text button is below that. below the central part. Is it okay?
It's okay for now, ma'am. We can adjust it later.
Yeah.
Align center, right?
Yeah.
But the text button has come in the center now.
So have you put that inside that vertical arrangement or outside the vertical
So
arrangement?
it came outside the vertical arrangement.
No, put that inside.
Not going inside. No?
You can share your screen, ma'am. You can.
I'll try it on my own.
I think मेरा भी वही problem है.
हाँ, हमेशा मैं स्क्रीन शेयर करती हूँ. खुद करने देती हूँ. हाँ, yeah, now it came.
Okay. I guess.
So now
So-
that alignment should be center, then both will go in the center, right?
Yeah. Okay, so is everyone till here?
Just can you
Center.
repeat the instructions again, Sadanand? Sorry, I'm just
Yes, ma'am.
busy
No
with my
issues.
screen. My screen is somehow not working. Just
No,
can you
no
tell me
issues.
what to be done from first?
Yes, ma'am. So first you'll see a blank screen like this, okay?
Yeah, correct.
So first you have to go in layout and drag in vertical arrangement.
Layout. Okay, layout. The layout is to the right or to the left?
Anywhere, ma'am. Just drag on the screen. Be sure to drag vertical arrangement, not scroll.
Vertical arrangement.
Yes.
And then
And then click on screen 1. That is under components tab.
okay, yeah.
And then you will see a align horizontal and align vertical.
Yes.
Yes. So make it center.
Okay, done.
Okay, so basically now you have your outline ready, so you can drag in the components. That is a button, a label, and a text box.
You said align horizontal, not about align vertical.
No, I said align vertical only. Yeah, both will be centered.
Okay, got it.
That screen 1 properties, yeah.
Yeah.
So first we have to drag in the label. Okay, so on top will be label. So first is label, then a text box, and then a button.
Label and the text box. Done.
Okay, so you can now go to vertical arrangement and then align horizontal to center. Okay. So now we'll have to introduce the list view. Okay. So we can introduce list view by dragging and dropping inside the.
Daniel, your box is very small, but ours is in the full screen. The width, na? If you said
Acha, okay.
fill parent.
Yes.
So
It's
this is
filled
the
parent,
full.
yeah.
So that comes for fully, right? Full screen.
Is it like this?
Yeah.
It's fine.
Like
Both
this.
ways. So now you can drag in list view inside that vertical arrangement.
List view.
Yes, that is under user interface.
Inside where we have to below the text button.
Yes, below the
box.
text button.
It is going outside the vertical. Is it okay?
Try to get it inside. It will be better. So just what you can do is just
yeah,
hover over
it
it.
went. Yeah, it went.
Yeah. Okay, so now we'll relabel them, like rename them. So first click on text for label 1 and then go to properties. And change the text for label 1 as enter task. And you can play around with the background color and font size. So you can make it as blue or font size as 20. So it's bigger that way.
You can change the background color. That's what you're trying to say.
Yes.
For me, that background is not getting checked. Only the none button is there.
On that
First, yeah, first click on that label and then the background should be there. Background color should be switchable.
So the text box will get that color, correct?
Don't mess with my text box as of now. Because we want that to be blank.
नहीं आ रहा है. That the background is not getting selected. Why so?
Can you share your screen?
Yeah, 1 minute.
label one box, we have to change the background color, right? And the font.
Yes. Okay, so click on label.
Enter task, no? That label.
Yes. And then click on background color. Click on none.
None.
Click on none.
Achha,
Now you can select.
Okay. I thought. Okay.
You can select any.
Thank you.
Okay, so now has everyone reached here?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now we have to change the properties of text box. So select text box and then click remove everything that is under hint. So what it basically does is if you write anything in that hint, that is, it should be like this as default. Okay, or right. So it will look like this, but we want it to be blank. So just remove that. So our text box properties are also edited. Now we have to go to button. So click on button and then again go to text and replace it with submit or add item.
Submit.
Yeah, you can
What?
replace it with submit or add item to add any task or submit any task. So has everyone reached till here?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, now to edit list view, click on list view and replace its background color with none or white. And text color to black. So this is how it will look on the phone screen. You can see it in the Zoom screen. Okay, so now we have to make sure the variables that we input in that text box are saved. So for that we'll need a TinyDB, that is a small database that will store our values. So to add that, go in storage and then drag TinyDB.
TinyDB,
Yes.
no? You have to put it inside that vertical box or
Anywhere, ma'am. It is actually a non-visible component, so it won't affect the layout. So our basic layout of our to-do list is actually ready. Now we can work with the blocks. So has everyone reached here?
Yes.
So now for the blocks, first we'll have to create an empty list. Okay, empty list. But before that, we have to create a variable. So to initialize a global variable, go under variables and then say initialize global name to, that is empty. And then replace the name with task. Can everyone do this?
Yeah,
I
done.
have written enter task, na? So we should write enter task or only task?
Only task, it doesn't matter. So we'll use basically tasks as it is a small word and we can use it.
Okay.
And this is just for like our sake. That is a to-do list. So we wrote
Okay.
enter task. So we have to complete those tasks. Okay. So now we'll introduce the empty list. So go under list, that is the blue section, and drag create empty list.
Where is the list we have to go?
Yes, list.
Where?
Under list, the blocks, ma'am. We are working with blocks now.
Blocks. Where does the list come?
It
Okay.
is under lists.
Got it. Got it.
The first thing is create empty list.
Empty list.
Set inside that near the task, right? Task.
Yes. So it should look like this. Initialize global task to create empty list. So what this will do is when we initialize that app or start the app, it will create an empty list so that we can add our things that we want to do, that are our tasks. So now when do we want our tasks to be added to that list? So it will be when we press the button. We enter something in the text box and then we push the button. So the things that we have written will get inside the list. So for that, we have to go under buttons and then click on drag in when button dot click. So drag in when button dot click. Okay. So is everyone able to do?
Yes.
Okay. Now when after dragging that button one dot click, drag in add items to list, that is under list again. First we dragged create empty list. Now we have to drag add items to list. And then snap it under the when button dot click. Okay, so next we have to add items to list to which list. So we have to specify that. So which list will it be? It will be get global task, that is this list. So just hover over initialize global task and a button will pop, that is get global task. So you can drag that and place it in list. Can everyone find this? Get global task.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So after this, we have to specify what to add to the list. So what to add means whatever that is written in the text box. Okay. So to place that, go under text box and select text box dot text. Select text box and then scroll down. There will be text box one dot text and drag it there.
I'm not getting text box dot text.
So click on text box 1
Yeah.
and then scroll once.
Hey, see, you are getting text box 1, hide, numerology, वो सब नहीं दिख रहा है. नहीं, I clicked text box 1, then scroll down.
Yes, ma'am. Scroll down.
But there
Yes, sir.
text box dot text. Okay, got it.
So now what we've basically done is when button is clicked, it will add items to the global list that we have created here. And what items will be added is what is written in the text box.
So Dandan, I'm
Text
sorry,
box.
my connection went off. What I have to click text box 1 में? Which one?
हाँ, text box 1 में click करके we have to drag text box 1 dot text.
तो उसमें एक रेड कलर
Okay,
का है क्रॉस करके. When I am
आपने
dragging it and kept going to put it there, एक क्रॉस आ रहा है उसके आगे.
so आपने एक दूसरा मॉड्यूल सिलेक्ट किया रहेगा.
ऐसा.
Select that puzzle one जिसका एक एंड पे एक पजल है सिर्फ.
सेट नहीं लिखा है ना.
नहीं
सेट
सेट वाला नहीं, नॉर्मल सिर्फ टेक्स्ट बॉक्स 1 डॉट टेक्स्ट.
कलर.
हाँ, it can be text, we can change that bit.
Because here I see color. Okay.
हाँ, उसके 1 ऊपर टेक्स्ट है.
हाँ.
So इतना हो गया. So this will what will it do is when button 1 is clicked, it will add an item that is written in the text box to our list. So what to do with that? We have to first save it so we can view it later on, and then we want the ability to delete it. So if a task is done, so we can delete it later. So first we'll try to save it. Okay. So click on TinyDB. Click on TinyDB and select called TinyDB1 store value tag and value to store. That is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th one.
And place it under
Place it under add items. Yes. So now to select a tag for this TinyDB1, we can give it any name. So go under text and drag the empty quotes. So we'll name it DB task.
We should place under tag with the tag one.
Yes, tag.
Empty task.
That is database task.
We should write anything inside that empty task? No.
Yes, ma'am. Have you written this DB task inside the tag value?
We should write DB task only.
Yes. Actually, you can give it any name as you like, but here, since we are using a TinyDB and a task, so I've written as DB task.
DB task. Capital, small, doesn't matter. Right?
No, that doesn't. So now next is, that is empty slot. It is asking for a value to store. So which value to store? So again, hover over initialize global and get global task. And snap it over there. Okay, so now we have
Wait a minute, sorry. See, when I'm hovering over initial global task,
okay.
nothing comes. Is it?
Try hovering over task.
Okay, it comes. Okay.
So now you can get global task and snap it in value to store. So has everyone reached here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we have done, what we have done is assigning button function, that is to store the value that is written in the text box and then keep it away in the TinyDB. So what we want next is to display that in the list view that we've created. So to display that, select list view dot elements, list view one dot elements, that is under list view.
What? Where to place it? I'm sorry.
Place it under call TinyDB1.
You have taken set level list view, no? I thought
Yes.
it should be that. Okay. I just
From list view one,
set.
select set list view one to element dot elements to something.
But it is not getting fixed, no? Let me see your screen how it looks.
So I'm just drag this
Huh?
and then place it under call TinyDB1.
It can be any list view. You have taken background. Is it okay?
Yeah,
You have taken
it
elements.
can be a list. We can change it later on.
Set
Now
list view.
as I changed it to elements. And then what we can do is duplicate this, get global task, and just snap it over there.
How do you duplicate that? No.
Duplicate, get global task. Right click on it and then duplicate. Okay, so is everyone able to do this?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we've done is adding, storing, and then display. So what happens when we submit it? So we can see it in our screen. So I'll type something.
You
Okay.
have to open that map inventor na, in mobile.
Yes, ma'am. So you can see it.
Yeah.
So if I type in by X, it will display it over there. So you can check it on your mobile.
What should come?
Uh, anything you write on the screen that is in the text box.
Mobile.
Yes. Like this is how you
Okay,
will
so
see it.
yeah. So inside the text box, I have to write something.
Yeah, just like a normal to-do list app. So what do you write in to-do? What the things you have to do?
And then we have to submit it.
Yeah, submit it. It will be under the list.
But only one thing I can write out, because if I press that right click, it like enter. The to-do list is one below the other, right?
Yes.
When I press enter, it doesn't go. So I have to write to put only one item per at a time.
Yeah, one item at a time. So
We
can
need to delete it to write the next one.
yeah, okay. So for deleting, we have to write a different code. First, we just see how that to-do list app basically works. So can everyone do this?
It's coming, but after writing one list, na, so when I wrote the other one, that one single line has come in my mobile.
Yeah, that is for partitioning that. So that you know it's a different thing.
Okay.
So if you write anything like get vegetables, it will again come under a partition line. So now what is the problems with this is after submitting the task text box isn't clear. So to do that, what we can do is again, you can switch back to Zoom again. Then uh, go under text box, and then set text box. Drag any set text box. Change the second tab to text, and then go to text, and then simply just add an empty quotes over there.
Text.
Change the background color to what? Any text?
And text. So it should be like set text box one dot text to empty quotes, and just keep that empty quotes as empty. So now if we submit anything,
I did not get that last one. Set text box. It is
set text box,
not, but it is not going inside my this thing.
it should now.
It is having a pin at the
Yeah,
end. So make another one.
it will have a slot at the end. So go to text and then drag in
No,
empty
not
quotes.
that. उससे भी पहले वाला text box one dot text वाला जो green है वो आप किधर से लेके आए कौन सा लेके आए?
Which one now? I don't understand. Can you share your screen?
Yeah, just show me. One more.
Yeah, okay. So पहले we have to introduce set.
Introduce what?
If you can drag it in the dustbin.
डस्टबिन में घूमता ही नहीं है परम।
Okay, what should I introduce before?
So click on text box,
Yeah.
then set text box or text color or anything that is set.
Set वाला चाहिए.
हाँ,
Text box. Okay.
हाँ. Then इसको इसके नीचे snap कर. नहीं ना, वो नहीं.
And then
And now
the-
change this to text.
and then again
Now
text.
go to text
Bring this.
and add. Yes, add that.
This one.
Yes.
Okay. Take it.
Okay. So now what will this do is clear the screen after submitting anything. So like if I say next, so when I submit, the screen is automatically cleared.
Okay, वो blank ही है इसके.
हाँ, पहले it wasn't going blank. जो हम लिख रहे थे वो वहीं पे रह जा रहा था. So we have to manually erase it and then write again new things. So इतना होने के बाद what we want to do is अगर कोई task हो गया तो we want to delete it. So to delete it, हमको क्या करना है? List पे क्लिक करेंगे. So next is when list one dot after picking.
लिस्ट में जाना है।
हाँ, list view में जाना है and drag when list view one dot after picking.
A separate blank space we have to put.
Yeah, in a separate blank space.
It can be below also, no?
Yeah, it can be anywhere on the screen. So has everyone reached till here?
Yeah.
So
Yes.
what we want to do is now when uh, list one after picking, if we want like अगर इस पे click करें तो this one should get deleted. So to do that, we'll do the opposite of add items. So here we added add items. Now we have to add remove items. So just go in remove list item, list and index. That is under list.
Actually, index in list thing, that tab we have to click.
Yeah. Remove list
Index.
item, list and index.
That's sort of there. In list, na?
Yes, ma'am. List.
List, make list, add items.
Yeah, scroll down, ma'am. It's there. Could you find it,
I'm
ma'am?
not finding it.
Scroll all the way down. It will be second from top.
Yes. Found it.
Could you find it, ma'am?
Achha, replace item, you said?
No, remove item.
Remove list item list, right?
Yeah,
Remove नहीं दिख रहा है मुझे.
Ma'am, scroll down karo and it will be second from the top. Scroll all the way down.
I have scrolled down and एकदम नीचे है join items using separator. उसके ऊपर look up in pairs. List.
अभी ऊपर देखो, सबसे ऊपर will be replace list items and then उसके नीचे remove list item.
अच्छा, तो which one we should take?
Remove. Yes. So होगा क्या? It will just remove. That is, I will show you that example. So if we type here like buy this, then add, then buy that. Then add. अगर मैंने ये चीज बाय कर लिया एंड इफ आई क्लिक ऑन इट, वो चीज डिलीट हो जाएगा. ओके.
Can you explain?
हाँ, ओके. तो बेसिकली ये क्या करता है, इफ ओके सो अपना ऐप ऐसा दिख रहा है, ठीक है. अभी तो अगर मैंने एक्स बाय कर लिए तो आई डोंट वांट इट इन माय लिस्ट एनीमोर, राइट.
If I write by
या इफ यू राइट एनीथिंग लाइक अगर एक्स बाय करने हैं एंड देन वेजिटेबल्स बाय कर रहे हैं, अगर एक्स बाय कर लिया तो आई डोंट वांट दैट इन माय लिस्ट एनीमोर, राइट. कि मैंने एक्स बाय कर लिए. So what this function will do is after clicking this, it will remove that thing from the list.
But how does it remove? I've just selected by X. Then
Yeah, it will be selected right now because the code isn't complete yet.
अच्छा.
So now from which list? It will be from global list. So hover over on global and then snap the get global task. And next
get global task na again.
Yes. Okay. Get global task. So next it is asking for an index, like which one we want to remove, the first one or second one or third one. So it will be the one which we click on. So that will be under list view dot elements. And then
so we have to click that list view elements.
Yeah, list view dot elements and change that elements to selection index
So again, we have to select that list view elements
from list view.
from list view.
Go in list view and then select the second one, that is list view dot background color. We can change that background color to selection index.
लिस्ट व्यू में अभी नहीं आ रहा है. You should not go to the list ना, list view जाना है ना.
हाँ, list view में. That is under screen 1 vertical arrangement.
So we'll select set list view background or
No, only list view
background.
dot background.
And change the background to
Selection index. So it selects the one that is tapped or like selected by the user.
selection index.
Yes.
Okay.
So next we have to update that database that we have created. So like अगर एक value चला गया, so it shouldn't hold that value anymore, right? So again we'll go to tiny database 1 and now we have to call tinydb1 and get value tag value if value to store. And then snap it in. Same thing. Or you can just duplicate this and snap it there. Okay. So again वो tag के लिए पूछेगा, so same tag, so you can duplicate it again.
DB
Then add in
task.
this, yes, DB task. Because we have to delete from DB task that we have created first. So you should put the tag that you have put here. If you any other tag. Then in value to store, again get global task, duplicate it, and then snap it in. So is everyone able to do this?
Yes, Saurabh. Yes.
Yes.
So now next we want to display the updated list. So again go to list view and then set list view dot elements to get global task.
List view 1, right?
Yes,
List view 1.
set list view 1 dot elements to get global task.
Yeah, it's getting deleted.
Yeah. Now basically this whole block is complete. So now what we want to do is, अगर I exit that app and enter it again, so क्या होगा कि जो भी values हमने list में डाली है, it will get deleted because you exited the app. And again एक empty list create होगा since it's the first thing. एक empty list create होगा and we have to again manually put in the tasks and then it's like messy thing. So to avoid that, what we can do is when the app is exited, save all the values, and when it is reinitialized, show the values on the list. So to do that, go under screen and drag in screen1 dot initialize.
That when screen1 dot initialize वाला ना.
Dot initialize, yes. And now instead of get global task, drag set global task to. So has everyone done till here?
Yeah.
Now set global task to what? Global task to whatever data is present in TinyDB. So go on under TinyDB. There will be a tab that is called TinyDB1 store value tag and value to store. Above that, there will be called TinyDB1 get value tag and value if not tag not there. So we have to now select the value if tag not there. So has everyone selected it?
Yeah.
So now it is asking for a tag. So we have to again add in the same name that we have used before. So just drag the bottom empty quotes and place it above and rename it as DB task.
Empty quote in tag, na?
Yes. Replace the location just.
अरे बाप रे, सब गड़बड़ बन गई है।
Have you done it now?
Yes.
The next, what it's asking is value if tag not there. So what if the tag is not there? That is, you are opening the app for the first time. So what we'll do is create an empty list. So just duplicate the create empty list and snap it in value if tag not there.
Where is create empty list? I didn't do. अच्छा, oh.
It is above just first create it that way. Okay, so has everyone reached here?
Yeah.
Okay. So what we want to do next is, we have exited the app and entered it again. So we want to display what we had before we exited the app. So to display it, again go under list view 1 and set list view 1 dot elements to get global task.
Set list view 1.
Will you do it now?
Yeah. Yeah.
So now we have basically completed the whole thing, the whole code and all. Okay, so I'll just go through it once, so what each block does. So first we have initialized global task, a variable to store the things that we write in the text box, and a list, created a list to store all the variables. Okay. So next is when button 1 is clicked. So when the button 1 is clicked, it will add items to the global variable that we have created, that is task. Okay. So which items it will store? the items that are written in the text box. Then what will it do is store those items in a TinyDB whose name we have given as DB task. Okay, and then it will set a list, set the list view elements to global task, that is the items that are in our list. And then after entering that, it will clear the box, text box. Okay, this is to add something in the list. Next, if you want to delete it, we click on the list view and then remove that item from global variable. And which item we will remove? The item that is selected. So for that we have used selection index. And next we will update the TinyDB, that is our database, small database, to again the updated list. So the again task tag is DB task and the value to store is again global task. And just set list view dot elements to global task. And what third one will do is, third one, when we exit the app and we want the contents to remain there, this is for that. So set global task to call TinyDB and then remain whatever that is stored in the DB database and then show it the list view. So now we can come again in the main screen and what we can do is customize it.
The designer screen, right?
Yeah, designer screen. So now we can come under screen 1. Yes, is everyone here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So under screen 1, what we want to do is change the whole background. So to do that, what we can do is change background color, or we can insert an image. So if we just change the background color to yellow, say, or if we want to insert an image, what we can do is search it up. Something like this. If I download it, okay.
Maybe we can choose the dog JPG itself.
Yeah, you can do that. So once the file is uploaded, click on background image and then click on OK.
No, it's not. Nice.
So it will look something like this. Can everyone do this?
You're done. Actually, I clicked the background image.
Okay.
And after that, I clicked the dog.
Where do we put the
So
link?
the dog has come, but now the dog is not going.
Background
Okay,
image. Udhar jal. Where do we put the link?
Link के लिए मैम just go under media and upload file. Link you don't have to do anything with link. Just
No,
shift down.
background color change किया, but now that you have put some picture, na, how do you do that?
Yeah. So go under media and upload file and then choose a file, whatever you want, whatever photo you want. So here I want this one to be there. Okay. So I'll click on open and then click on OK to upload it. So once it's uploaded, it will be shown here.
मीडिया में ऑलरेडी फाइल्स रहता है, अपलोड फाइल से लेके आना पड़ेगा.
वो अपना डॉग और कैट था ना, वो डालना है.
अभी नया मैंने कुछ लिया तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? हाउ डू वी गेट इट फ्रॉम द वेब?
हाँ नए के लिए मैम जस्ट यू कैन सर्च इट अप एनीथिंग एंड सेव इट एज JPG.
हाँ
Okay, so like you can see my screen.
या वो सब
Yeah,
हाँ
so here is like some images. So if I select this and download it,
सेव
save images.
पड़ेगा.
Save image
कॉपी
as
नहीं कर
JPG.
सकते. कैन वी कॉपी द लिंक एंड नो?
No, not here.
अच्छा ठीक है.
So save image as JPG. Okay,
एंड देन पुट इट.
and then upload it here. Then click on upload file, choose file, and then navigate to where you downloaded it. Okay. Have you done it?
Can be a JPG file also.
Yeah, JPG.
It takes
It is
lot.
preferred that it should be JPG so that it doesn't get any error.
When I am selecting some files, it says it is quite large. So we can't put that.
So you can select some small image. Are you able to do it now?
For me, no, it's coming error because the files are all large. Let me see.
Try this one now.
Small files.
Done.
Yeah, I'm also done.
जयंती वो डॉग और कैट का ही ले ले पिक्चर.
हाँ जाने दो अभी because मेरा जो files है वो dog cat किधर है देखते.
डाउनलोड्स में होगा.
क्योंकि whatever photos I am selecting, everything is
Dog cat easily आ जाता है पर.
इजीली आ रहा है वो.
dog or cat because it's a small file. Okay.
So now you can
yesterday को किया था ना.
you can now customize your app for your liking. So you can do that, like increase the font size to say 30. And preface as monoface, so it is more wide.
Dog cat भी नहीं आ रहे.
Now you can share your screen now.
Let me see. I think upload बराबर नहीं. Where is the screen? Is it okay? Is it sharing?
Yeah, it is sharing.
So this is media here, and I'm saying upload file.
Yeah, actually you have uploaded a file. Okay.
Yeah, but why it's not coming?
You have to go in background image.
Here, no?
Yeah, yeah, and then select img dot something.
Cat JPG, okay.
Yeah, that will come.
But I have to put it in the background image. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, okay, it is coming here in the this thing also, but oh, ekdam lamba sa. Can we make it smaller?
Yeah, we can. Just click on.
Click on.
Back. It should be under background.
Already बनाया हुआ है ना this JPG file. Or alignment with nothing. No?
No, ma'am, I guess you can't.
Okay.
इसका background का नहीं change कर सकते.
चलो.
सदानंद जी शरयू बात कर रही हूँ.
हाँ मैम.
एक्चुअली ये हो गया मेरा, लेकिन तो कोडिंग में एक दो स्टेप पीछे रह गई मैं, मतलब.
No issues मैम, आप screen share करके बता दो, I will guide you.
ओके ओके बता देते हैं.
Guys, किसका बोल रहे थे वो? Which one you telling?
हो गया है ना,
Task वाला.
मेरी स्क्रीन दिख रही है.
हाँ.
ब्लॉक्स में ना यहाँ पे कुछ तो रह गया ऐसे मुझे लग रहा है.
मैम वो extra एक create list है, you can delete that on the top. हाँ, जो empty ऐसे ही हवे में.
हाँ. बाकी तो ये ठीक है ना.
हाँ.
यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं बाकी है ना. लास्ट ब्लॉक्स जो हम बनाए.
Set global name. TinyDB cat.
यहाँ पे.
नहीं मैम वो बराबर है.
हाँ. यहाँ बड़ा करो स्क्रीन थोड़ा.
नहीं मैम, it's okay.
ठीक है ना.
हाँ मैम ठीक है.
ओके स्टॉप करो.
बट मैम आपके इसमें क्रॉस आ रहा है. लेट मी सी इट अगेन.
कहीं तो हाँ, इसलिए मैंने पूछा. कहीं तो क्रॉस आ रहा है, तो मतलब वो कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है. यहाँ पे क्रॉस आ रहा है ये बॉक्स में.
हाँ, कैन यू जूम इट मैम? Zoom out.
Sadanand, we have about 50
Yeah, ma'am.
minutes. No, we have.
Yes, ma'am. We are almost finished. So, ma'am, edit the tag to DB task.
यहाँ. ओके, आई विल डू दिस. स्टॉप शेयरिंग कर दूं?
हाँ मैम, आपके दूसरे ब्लॉक में भी है. Edit this to DB task. Next. Can you click on that cross? वो एरर क्या बता रहा है?
This is duplicate.
Okay, so you have actually duplicated the button one dot click. So drag remove list item. Yeah, drag all that. And delete that when button one dot click.
ये वाला ना?
Yes. Now go in text box. Sorry, list view. List view. Yeah, okay. When list view dot after pick. Yes. First place it anywhere. अभी वो हो गया. Now show the first block. First one. Yeah, यहाँ का भी एरर चला गया.
ये करना. यहाँ पे क्या लिखना था?
वहाँ पे empty रहेगा मैम. Just yeah, okay, ठीक है.
ये ओके ओके है ना?
हाँ,
लास्ट
you actually placed global name. Yeah, it's okay.
स्टॉप शेयरिंग कर दूं?
Yeah, ma'am.
एक्चुअली ना ये जो इमेज हमने जो डाला है इन द स्क्रीन इधर स्ट्रेट आया, बट व्हेन इट केम इन माय मोबाइल वो थोड़ा
Yeah, it's stretched.
स्ट्रेच नहीं है, डायरेक्शन ही चेंज हो गया. सो उसको कुछ कर सकते हैं, मतलब एंगल और समथिंग लाइक दैट.
Angle तो नहीं मैम, उसका screen का नहीं कर सकते इसमें.
I'll just show you one minute. I'll just show you. Where is it? See here, this is the like this, na straight, na.
Yes.
But when it came in my mobile, oh, towards the lamba side mein aa gaya.
So is it stretched or like as
No,
a
it is not
90 degree?
stretched. It has
90
just
degree is
turned
a
90 degree. 90 degree.
okay. So click on like screen orientation. Try this
Where is it coming?
in the properties.
What is screen orientation?
Yeah, below. Scroll down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No. Where is it?
Screen orientation.
Okay. Portrait landscape. Okay,
Yeah.
unspecified. So should I do portrait?
Portrait.
Or portrait.
Try portrait if it
Okay.
does that.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, na?
But it does not change here, no? Here it is portrait only, no? Now also.
Yeah.
So then landscape करके देखो.
वो screen का resolution, वो phone का ये change करेगा.
Okay. Something is changing here. The phone ही change होगा. Then what else? Default करेगा तो ठीक है. Default आ गया. ठीक है, let's just see that.
We can play around with that. I'll show
Yeah,
you
yeah.
how to pack this.
Yeah.
So has everyone done all this? So basically this is our to-do list app. Okay. So if I write in anything, so by text, it will, after submitting, it will be there by Mets. Complete homework. And if I click on any one of this, it will disappear. So how to make it an app? So make it an
स्क्रीन
app.
नहीं दिख रहा है सदानंद जी.
Oh, sorry. Can you see my phone screen, ma'am?
Yes.
It is here.
Yes, yes.
So basically this is our app. Okay. So if we write in anything like biomeds and submit, so biomeds वहाँ पे नीचे आ जाएगा. By which is वो आ जाएगा. Complete homework by 4:30 if I say, it will show that. So that if I complete my homework by 4:30, I can just click on it and it will disappear. Okay. So what to do now? Just go under build and click on provide QR code for APK or app. And to save it, click on save.apk to my computer.
दोनों क्लिक करना
To-do
चाहिए.
list process. First,
no,
it has to
just
get completed, na?
Yes, it has to be completed. Then go to build and then save it on my computer. It will save a APK file on your computer.
It is still compiling.
Yeah, it will take some time.
वाला करने के बाद then come to the save it.
हाँ, वो आपको पूछेगा where you want to save. अगर आपने पहले से specify किया रहेगा तो directly download folders में रहेगा. So if I save it,
Because of the background is a little bit big, does it take more time compiling? part?
yeah,
That's 34% भी में अटक गए.
it also depends on the internet speed. So I have my APK. If I install it, okay.
नहीं, you have said first provide QR code for APK. वो खत्म होने
No, say, हाँ. So
We have to
what that
save.
will do is वो सिर्फ ऑनलाइन एक QR कोड दे देगा, you can download from there. पर अगर we click on save.apk to my computer, it will save that app on your computer, so you can download and share it anywhere.
it will ask where to save.
Yes, it will ask. But if you have like specified to save everything to downloads, it will directly go into downloads folder.
It is just straight away ask me barcode link for to do this. Shall I say,
मेरा तो
shall I say okay?
What ma'am?
Barcode link has come for to do list. Shall I say?
Yeah, ma'am. So you can scan it to download your app. That link is basically for an app.
Yeah,
तो
the
उससे
save
पहले
thing has not
save
come. Save thing has not
करने का
come.
है ना उसके पहले.
अरे यार गया वो.
नहीं अभी ये हो
No,
गया.
no issues, ma'am. Just go in build. Forget about QR code. Just go in build and click on the second one. App
yeah.
save.apk
Yeah.
to my computer,
Did it.
and it will be saved in your computer.
Progress time. What should be the configuration of our computer to do such apps?
It's not based on computer, ma'am.
It's the speed of the internet.
Yeah, just speed of internet.
What time है?
सदानंद जी मुझे भी वो
Yes, ma'am.
आया है तो मैं क्या करूं?
So मैम वो आप स्कैन करके अपना ऐप डाउनलोड कर सकते हो.
अच्छा.
और अदर थिंग यू कैन डू इज वहाँ पे एक लिंक भी आया रहेगा उसके नीचे.
हाँ लिंक
तो
आया.
जस्ट तो मैन्युअली टाइप दैट लिंक ऑन योर फोन और वो डाउनलोड अपने आप चालू कर देगा. So if you can see my screen, I'll take this go to APK that I made just now. Paste it here.
But for us we don't have this ना, मतलब phone is not there है ना, तो अपना phone में ही करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ.
The download folder में already save करके रखा है, तो उधर से निकालना पड़ेगा क्या?
हाँ. So if you have like a USB cable lying around, so you can use that for transferring.
So essentially, if we don't do anything with that QR code right now, just say okay.
हाँ. So मैम वो QR code 2 hours में expire हो जाएगा and you won't be able to download your app.
Oh, okay. So it's better to
Yeah.
download the app.
Yeah. So that's why I said just save.apk to my computer and you can share it or install it anytime.
See when
No,
I
but-
said
What is happening, Sadanand, is that when that screen is visible, the barcode screen,
Yeah.
I'm not able to click on build. The build button seems to be disabled.
Yeah, it will be disabled.
ओके
Just-
करेंगे तो चला जाता है.
ओके
हाँ, वो
करके
okay
छोड़ दो क्या?
चले. हाँ मैम ओके करके छोड़ दो and then again
नहीं
go in
एक्चुअली
build.
उधर एक लिंक आया ना.
हाँ तो you can go to that link, download.
And download. Okay.
पर वो लिंक सिर्फ 2 hours के लिए एक्टिव रहेगा. So you have to come again and like provide QR code.
No, no, मुझे समझा नहीं. Suppose ये first one किया, then second one
हाँ.
किया, तो it says it is going into the download file. तो download file में जाके देखा there is some file there, project 1 APK करके.
हाँ.
That also can be okay. That also can be copied.
हाँ that is okay too. हाँ.
APK file है.
हाँ मैम वो that APK file you can install on any Android phone.
No, so उसको पहले ही सेव करके रखना चाहिए क्या किधर भी?
Downloaded है ना वो?
डाउनलोड हो गया ना मैम आपके पास?
नहीं, so see it is a like small blank like thing white color and project.apk. उसको we have to save it in my computer or even in any other this thing, and how do I send it to the mobile or how do that? What to do?
हाँ okay, so just go in your file. You can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir?
You can see my screen, right? Zoom
Yeah.
screen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So just go where you have downloaded it. I have
Yeah, I
downloaded it
got
on
it.
my desktop. Okay.
Okay.
So copy
Hmm.
it, and if you have connected your phone through a USB cable,
Oh.
it will pop up like this.
No,
Huh.
suppose it is not connected by USB.
So, ma'am, what you can do is try anything
Send it.
like send it on your Gmail, and you
Okay.
can download it on your
So,
phone.
no, okay, that can be done.
Yeah. If you have your phone, just navigate to your phone and paste it in whatever folder you want. So now if you see my screen, I have my file, .apk file. I click on install and it will install. So there will be a error, like a warning that is it's blocked by Play Protect. So just ignore it and install it anyway.
Okay.
And then click on open. And then send app for scanning, warning, ignore this, don't check. So now you have your app.
So when we send it to the phone through Gmail, I get the
Yeah.
file there, and when I open it, it will be as a small thing, app जैसा उधर रहेगा क्या?
हाँ मैम,
But अभी
वैसा ऐप का एक आइकॉन आ जाएगा
वही.
with a name too. Sorry. और इसको हम क्या कर सकते हैं, एग्जिट भी कर सकते हैं एंड वी कैन नेविगेट बैक.
Delete कर सकते हैं that app.
हाँ, यस मैम, वी कैन डिलीट इट.
मतलब how like when we go Play Store में सब जाके delete करते हैं ऐसा नहीं ना?
नहीं मैम, क्योंकि हमने ये साइड लोड किया है तो यू हैव टू लाइक मैन्युअली इस पे ऐसा क्लिक करके रखेंगे एंड देन एक अनइंस्टॉल का ऑप्शन आ जाएगा.
अच्छा, just click it and delete it वैसा.
या
It will be completely deleted from the phone.
या
To open the program, what you have to do, you have to select between the two, right? Windows and something it says when I click on the app from my computer.
What ma'am, I didn't understand.
So when I click on the computer, where it got downloaded, it says
Yeah.
Windows can't open this file.
Okay, yeah. Windows actually can't open that file because it's an Android app. It
So
will
it
only
is
open
asking
on Android.
use the web service to find the correct program or select the program from the list of installed programs.
No, ma'am, just close it.
Close it, cancel
Yeah,
it.
close. Yeah, that's it. You have your app. If you want to install it on your phone, you can like mail it to you, or you can transfer it via USB cable.
Okay, when I am transferring it, why does it say कि blocked for security reasons? Is it because of it's not recognizing?
Yeah, it's basically like self-made app, and it's not.
So that means I
It's
can't
not.
send it, no?
Yeah, you can actually, but
Might be
it will show
virus
show a warning. You can scan it, but that's
blocked लिखा है. Still I can send it.
Yeah. Like अभी मैं आपको दिखाऊं तो if I try to install this app, okay, so I will get a warning by Play Protect. Play Protection doesn't recognize this app developer. Apps from unknown developers can sometimes be unsafe, but we know हमने ही बनाया and we want to test it anyway. So you can click on install anyway.
Here मेरा it is in the mail itself.
Okay.
In the Gmail itself, it says that it is blocked. I'm sending it from the mail, no? Through the mail to the phone.
Okay, so you can like send it any. Is there
Send
an
it and
option
see,
to
no?
send it anyways?
Send तो है. Let me try. Send this. Okay, send R.
Forcefully you can send.
Yeah. No, I'm not able to send. What is saying? there was error in attaching your files, so this cannot be sent.
You can upload to Google Drive, ma'am. Try to upload on Google Drive and downloading it on your phone.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
अभी नहीं किया तो भी चलेगा ना?
No, ma'am.
It is just like you will be able to share with other Android devices and other people, just like that much only. Yeah.
हाँ, ठीक.
Freda, ma'am.
That was it. You have basically made your app that can be installed and shared.
Yes,
Freda, ma'am?
Jen.
Yes, ma'am. So for now we are done at 4:30 as much. Yeah.